The evolution of the arch. The arch-shaped structure dates back to ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt, primarily used in underground structures like drains and tombs. The Romans adopted the arch and took the arch to new heights, literally and figuratively. They built durable designs to expand their empire, iconic monuments like the Arch of Titus, and masterpieces like the Colosseum. They showed the world what arches could do. Fast forward to 1941. The U.S. Navy needed fast, cost-efficient housing for the war. The George Fuller Company answered with the Quonset Hut, an upgraded version of the Nissen Hut, named after Quonset Point, Rhode Island, where these arch-style structures were first manufactured and constructed. By the late 80s, companies like SteelMaster Buildings had taken Quonset Huts to the next level, offering a prefabricated arch panel design that made construction even more efficient. Known as the ultimate DIY structures, Quonset Huts have been transformed into everything from barns to breweries. Just like Roman arches revolutionized architecture, Quonset Huts are a modern symbol of strength, versatility, and timeless design, proving that great ideas always stand the test of time.